Here's a solution to problem 4.1.13 from Rockswold's algebra. So we're supposed to determine graphically the x value where y is 2, given the equation y equals 6 minus x. This equation here, y equals 6 minus x, this is a linear equation, so let's graph it. Since it's already in slope-intercept form, we can just plot the y-intercept and then move according to the slope, and we'll have our graph. So the y-intercept for this line is 6. And remember, the y-intercept isn't necessarily the part that comes second, it's the part that doesn't have x in it. So that's 6 in this case, so let's plot that. It's right here. And then the slope is the number that's multiplying x. So that's right here. Remember, there's really a minus 1 here. If we wanted to rewrite this equation in sort of a more normal order, we might write it like this. Y equals minus 1 times x plus 6. And now it looks more like maybe what you're used to, with the y-intercept being 6 and the slope being 1. So let's, now that we have our y-intercept at 6 and we know the slope is minus 1, let's move according to the slope. Since the slope is minus 1, we're going to go right 1 and down 1. So there, right 1 and down 1, right 1 and down 1. Also, you can go left 1 and up 1, left 1 and up 1. So all of these points are on the line, and of course all the points in between as well. So like this, it's about like that. Okay, so where along this line is there a point whose y-coordinate is 2? Well, we can just look at all of the points whose y-coordinate is 2. That's all of these points that I'm marking in blue here. All of these points have y-coordinate 2, and if you look, here's a spot on the line where the y-coordinate is 2. And it looks like this spot is about 4, 2. So the y-coordinate where y is 2, I'm sorry, the x-coordinate where y is equal to 2 on this line is 4. If you're doing this problem online, your numbers will be different, but the ideas will be the same.